Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's activity we're going to demonstrate how to use the paddle shifters for this Pajero sports car. I hope I can share to you my basic knowledge, hoping that you will learn something. Yes, and with me, my wife, she's the one also helping me my vlog.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, and I would like to shout out my sister there in London, Ate Josie Cruzata, for supporting our vlog, and also his husband and children. Yeah, and also to our subscribers, thank you very much for supporting us.
Alright, so we're gonna demonstrate now. Alright, so welcome. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so these are our paddle shifters. This is the left and then the right paddle shifter. Right, as you can see, the positive sign. So for upshifting, and this one on the left for downshifting. Now we are in neutral mode. Alright, so how do we start for this Pajero Sport using the paddle shifter? Right, these are the paddle shifter here. So simply, first we have to step on the brake pedal right there. Then try to move this gear selector to the D mode there. So that's D mode, and then the next thing is we are going to slide this to the left side. Okay, have to push this power button, get down first. But then as you see, first gear, number 1, you see. Now we can slowly release our foot from the brake pedal. Okay, we'll try to notice if it works. You see, here we go, it runs. So that is on the first gear right there. Another thing, if you're driving on D mode, even on high speed, you can just easily switch to paddle shift. Just slide the gear selector to the left. Alright, so how to use the left and the right paddle shifter? Okay, so simply you have to accelerate. Okay, accelerate of your desired speed, and then just use the right paddle shifter for upshifting. Okay, while accelerating. Okay, now if you want to reduce your speed, say example you're running about 100 km/h, and if you want to reduce to 70, 60, of course you just decelerate and then use the left paddle shifter. You can also apply the brake while decelerating. As easy as that. So, and again, if you want to upshift, of course you have to use the right paddle. Sometimes if I reduce my speed, I just only apply brake, and then I don't need to click this left paddle. Let the engine or the transmission do it. It automatically reduces without touching this left paddle. Okay, but if you want to use that left paddle to reduce your speed, of course you have to decelerate first, and then you have to use the left paddle shift. Okay, we will try to see if it works really well. Alright, so from this point I have to step on the brake pedal and then set it to D mode right there, and then slide it to the left, and as you can see we are now on the first gear. Alright, and then I'm going to slowly release my foot from the brake pedal. Now we're running. Okay, and then accelerate. Use the right paddle shifter. See, we are now on gear 2. Accelerate and then upshift. As easy as that. Just like that. Accelerate and then click the right paddle shift for up speed. And also try to notice the sound of the engine. Okay. We are now on the 6th gear. Accelerate a little bit. And then click the right paddle. Reduce our speed, decelerate, and then click the left paddle. Like that. 6, 5. Apply the brake. Now try to notice we are on the 2nd gear. Accelerate and then use the right paddle shifter. As easy as that. We want to reduce our speed, just decelerate. You can even do like this too. Okay, without touching the left paddle shifter. It will bring you automatically. See, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See that? So the transmission will do that automatically for you without touching the left paddle shifter. Okay, so we are running about 60 kilometers per hour, and if you want to return to drive mode, you can just simply slide the gear selector to the right like that, and see you are now in D mode. Right, we go back to D mode. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something from my vlog today. And for the next vlog, I'll be demonstrating on how to park our car, like parallel parking, angle, and perpendicular parking